Hey guys, so this is a little change to the regular here, but I was having a chat with my brother earlier and we were talking about what the purpose is of these videos and what my content strategy is and what it is that I'm looking for in them, because we have a catch up every week. And he was asking me, what is it that I want? Like, what is it that I'm looking for? And is it really about generating leads for my business? Is it really about, getting people to my website and stuff like that? And I was saying to him, because he said, it's not really about the views, is it? It's not really about that. I mean, if you got 1 million views and you didn't get a single lead, would that really mean anything? And then he followed that up and he said, and if you got, say, 20 views but 10 leads, what would that mean? And I thought, and I just shouted at him like purpose, like to the point where he actually started taking the piss out of me. But I said to him is, both of those examples, they don't resonate with me. What resonates with me is if there was 1 million people that watched it, so it was like 1 million views, but 10 people contacted me and said, wow, that really helped, thank you. That would be the thing. And we talked a little bit earlier about the fact that I was asked to be a speaker last week for this amazing network. It's the BU network, run by this phenomenal woman called Julie Nelson. And it's this group of fantastic women, and they all come together and they learn together. And I was asked to talk on resilience and well-being, and it was such a meaningful conversation. And all of these women were engaged with me. They were asking questions, and they were really asking questions that they truly wanted the answers to, and that was stuff around mindset, feelings of being an imposter, the types of goals that you can set to achieve the things that you want to. It was around how you create, how you craft your well-being and how you prioritize your well-being. And these women, these 30 women, were engaging with me. They were asking me these questions, and I was saying to my brother, this whole journey for me started with me being able to impact people on a one-to-one in the way that I can, based on the things that I've been through. And those of you that know me will know that I've been through some significant setbacks in my life, starting with chronic illness, which knocked out my education, my career, late into my 20s, and has left an impact on my life. But luckily now, the impact that it has left is one where I get to turn all of that stuff that I've been through, and I get to use it as inspiration, and that inspiration enables me to be driven. I'm so driven to find the stuff, I nearly swore then, that works for me, and then communicate that, translate that, work out what the codes are behind that, and then get that across to other people. And that is really what I'm built for. And that's really what this whole journey is. That's what growing beyond is. That's the point. That's what growing beyond means. It means growing beyond limitations. It means growing beyond the narratives that you were given at birth. Growing beyond the life that you've woken up in, that you just think, this isn't mine. And that's really what it's about. It's about me being able to make an impact based on the things that I've been through, and me being able to use that to benefit other people. And so, so this is just, I guess this is a bit of a mission statement. So this is growing beyond. This is what it's about, and this is what I'm about. Next week it will return to normal programming, but for now, I guess I just wanted to communicate that with you guys. All right, I'll see you in the next one.